I have a very vital question, because this is something that we experienced in the project that you announced, that if we use an air insulated or sandwich, the tapper boxes were to be able to fit on either sides. So you could actually use both sides of the bus trunking to draw power. Now you said in Trackway you can either install at the bottom or you can install on the side. Can we install it on both
Both
sides?
the sides, yes. So the latest trackway, which has the option of mounting it in the middle, you can install on the both the sides in a trackway as well.
Wow.
Yeah, and if it's in a bottom, so bottom to you have the complete face that is available. But now bottom, since it consumes more length, that is where now most of the manufacturing is offering on the front side of it or the back side. Both the side you can mount the multiple tapper boxes. 50 mm is the length that you have to maintain, because for the tooling and other things, that is where that gap has to
Don't
be.
we have toolless tapper box installations also, or fixing?
It has a tool-led tapper boxes, but then connecting the
Maintenance
wire,
wise,
maintenance, all those things probably require a little minimum space. However, you can fix the tapper boxes without tools.
any tools,
Yes, that
correct?
is pretty much
So
possible.
now, and one more important question which I am trying to compare with the air insulated or sandwich is, in air insulated, what we used to also try and do, if at all there are multiple PDUs in the rack, right? What we would end up doing is putting two sockets on the same type of boxes so that we can draw power and put it in two PDUs on one side and another side two PDUs. So depending on what current is required in the rack. Is that a possibility in Trackway as
It
well?
is there. So tapper box is a pretty defined kind of solution. It gives you a flexibility on the number of sockets you need to have on the particular tapper box. Maximum OEM do offer a configuration of 1, 2 or 3 numbers in one tapper box. Same things apply to Trackway as well. In Trackway also, you can engineer your tapper box as per your requirement, where you can have 1, 2 or 3 numbers of socket mounted from one tapper box. Overall capacity will be calculated based on the what rack load you are fitting, and a particular tapper box you want to have with the two sockets, so that you take care of two PDUs inside a rack. You can have that configuration done.
So basically, what you're trying to say, whatever were the advantages in an air insulated or a sandwich are also available in the track. Apart from that, you have further advantages of being able to hot swap the type of box as well as install it wherever you want.
Yes, so the technology, when advancements happens, you have to keep the good part of earlier technology, but then also add the few features which are now required by the user, which was not a part of earlier technology. So that is where I guess this bus bar trunking system got more and more interesting over a period from cable. The journey has came to air insulated, sandwich, and then now Trackway. So Trackway is at the moment is a solution I feel very suitable for the rack level distribution. Over a period, of course, this again goes to a next level where you will see more, smaller and smaller size of those trackway fitting to a rack level, so that you have more space available upside the rack.
Fantastic.